A lot of people asking question is called how to using Pinterest to promote your business. What do you mean by Pinterest? What is the purpose using for Pinterest? So people searching for same keyword as is, searching for Google. Any people searching for images, same keyword. It will show our image will be first position always. This is called image optimization. This image optimization is done by Pinterest option. Same image you can promote by multiple keywords. So any people searching for Madhapur also, same image will showing for first position. This is called your image will be successful be showing for first position. See how to know my logo. Anything will be logo is my brand identity. Any people searching for Madhapur is my image will be my brand identity. How to you can promote using for Pinterest your website? So I can promote by Madhapur and Hyderabad. Okay, fine. I can promote other location. How to promote? So here people searching for your company. Suddenly I'm selecting for companies. It's showing here. Website is showing for option. Now agency. So anyone can people search. My email will be this one. So people has a question. Sir, I'm using login. It will showing for first page of your website. I'm selecting for incognito window. It's totally cookies and everything will be remove the memory. Is a totally fresh memory. Go into images. See this. My target is any people searching for Kondapur also. I'm into first position. My target is Kondapur also. I'm into first position. How to promote it? That is called. We can use option call is in.pinterest.com/ your domain name. Any Pinterest sign up your account always using by domain name is mandatory. There is a domain name is a mandatory. So using by domain name, here we can click your option. You can create by n number of boards. But using Pinterest purpose, we can install by the Pinterest toolbar. Toolbar. So install the toolbar. This toolbar very mandatory for particular option. So it's showing for remove. Why? Because already adding for pinned toolbar. How to use? Select your site. In Pinterest also the option will be not enabled. See this carefully. When website time, the pinned is enabled. How do we can address? Select. So when I'm searching for Kondapur, it's not showing for my website. Yes or no? Copy. Select your site. Simple. Click the pinned toolbar. Save it with a new keyword. Just I'm nothing doing. Just I'm changing the keyword. How to check the keyword is create or not? That is called number of board. Now you refresh. The board was created. The page was inserted by the particular keyword. The keyword is called website design development company Kondapur. See this. Same. Little bit change. Website design development agency in Kondapur. Simple. Pin it. Save your option. Anything will be here. Save. Create a board and create it. Check the board you can create or not. You can refresh your website also important. Why? Because Pinterest toolbar will be refreshing purpose. So how many toolbar you can create here? 2. Simple. Select it. Select here and click for save. Close it. Click this. Select it. Previous how many? 1 is there. You can check. I will getting for 2. Each keyword we can promote by each website link will promote by multiple keyword. Each link will promote by multiple keyword. Each keyword promoted by multiple links also. See this. This is a very important by the promote your site. So how many keywords you can promote? So what are the keywords you have? Select it in Kondapur. See this one. Add the Hyderabad also. Copy using finish toolbar. Save it. Create a board and create it. Each link will promote by multiple keywords. This is a Pinterest option. How many keyword you can promote it? Promote the keyword. After promotion, click for refresh. Don't forget the refresh option. Refresh. You are showing for 2 options. Always remember. Is a main link, is a sublink. Always website link also you can promote by your option. See this. How many keywords previous? 2. Now click for refresh by the 3 keywords. What are the areas you can promote it your images? Every area will be here. Select refresh. Select it. Anything will be here. See this all options. Yeah, simple. I'm checking for here. Small change. Top web design development company in Kondapur. I'm using for top keyword. Done. After done your option, close and refresh. Each board is called keyword to promote your site. Is the first option. Done. Same link we can promote for multiple images and multiple keywords. How? Copy the link. Your board was created successfully. Now I can option call is select your board. Board nothing but your keyword. Board nothing but your keyword. So keyword is called best. Promote it. Create. Board was created. Any tags are there? No. Select it. What is it? Create pin. Link will be same. Link will be does not change. I'm changing only for image. It's clear. Link same. Keyword change. Image change. Same. Anything will be here. So everything will be here. Is clear? Anything difference? Two. A Pinterest option. We can one link, one image promoted by multiple keywords. Each link we can promote by multiple images, multiple keyword also. That is called promote your images. This will be showing by the Google search in image option. The image optimize your Google search will take time for 24 hours to up to 48 hours. After indexing, they will show by your image optimization. This is a very important by the to optimize your website by Google Images Search Console. This is a very important to the market your website.